Hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders 369 channel for tomorrow trade setup, that is for the 3rd December. So caption what I mentioned is COVID variant is active, is bull going to be more active. So why I mentioned that, because we saw a news that in India we have two new COVID patients about the new variant. So whether it's going to react positive or negative, let's see how it's going to react. So before that, note down guys, our channel is only for educational purpose, so if you're trading, please contact your finance advisor. So let's look at the chart whether it's going to react positive or negative. And moreover, this COVID third variant is not going to impact much, as per few report says that it's not more effective impacting to health on the human beings. So it's mild variant, it looks like. So let's look how it is going to react market tomorrow. So hope you guys are able to see my Nifty chart. Give me a minute, let me change to Nifty chart. Okay. So yesterday I mentioned that gap up, gap fill, but in the morning we saw that in US there is new variant found in US, so that's the reason we not see much gap up, and we saw slow movement breaking this 17,300, trying to hit this trend line, so trying to fill this gap also. So tomorrow how it is going to react is, if it open positive, it should start from 17,430. okay, so then it takes time passing this trend line, hitting this trend line multiple times. Maximum I'm expecting is 17,480. okay, so I'm trying to fill this gap 500 levels, so that's the level which I'm looking on the higher side. And if it break this 17,570, right, then only we can see an upward move, but not much upside which I'm looking tomorrow. So maximum is 17,500, 570 on the higher side. If it break this trend line, note down, if it break this trend line, then only the levels which I'm looking is 17,480, 17,570 is the next resistance. These two resistance, if it break this trend line, suppose if it open positive, open below this 17,300, and our first target will be on lower side is 17,200, 17,160. So that's the maximum low I am expecting, 17,160. On the higher side 17,480, and next resistance is 17,570. So that's about the Nifty chart. Let's look at the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty chart is showing positive, and the first resistance is 36,600. okay, once it break this, right, the maximum what I'm expecting is 37,000 for tomorrow. okay, that's the maximum on the higher side. On the lower side, if it fails to hold is 36,400 again tomorrow, because that was in resistance today, and we mentioned that if it break, then we can see upward move, and we saw 150 point 160 points upside during closing time, so that will be a support. 36,400 will be a support. And if it fails to hold this 400, right, then easily again we can expect 36,180. and if this 180 doesn't hold this, then we can see 36,000. so that is the maximum lower side which I'm expecting is 36,000 on the lower side, on the higher side 37,000. Let's look at the OI data. Let me change my screen. So if you look at the Nifty OI data, strong support showing is 17,300. okay, and the very strong is 17,000. so that's the level on the lower side. On the higher side, there's so much strong resistance here, so 17,400 and 17,500, because last minute we saw a movement, right? So that's the reason we will not see much volume here updated in the website. So maximum we can expect 17,500, that's in resistance here. Next is bank nifty over data. 37,000 is one resistance, and the very strong resistance is 37,500. That's a strong resistance. So if it break this 37,000, we can expect still it can move 37,500 bank nifty, and there is more potential for bank nifty to move further once it break this 37,000. okay, and the support is 36,000, very strong support. So that's about the over data on bank nifty. Let's look at this training program. This is our training program, guys. If you are really interested, you can contact me, Hemant at 369. Let's look at the stock for tomorrow. Biocon, this is a resistance which I mentioned in our Telegram channel also. It gave 7 point today, and again that will be a resistance for tomorrow, that 371. okay, once it break this, it can easily touch 380 levels tomorrow. So that's about the Biocon. Next is Airtel. Last moment we saw this positive 1 hour. okay, so if it break this 738, okay, the first resistance is 743, and the next is we can expect 756, the next target. okay, so that's about the Airtel. Next is Ramco Cement, trying to break this 960, and the next resistance is 974 will be the next, and I can look for the next second target is 1000. So that's about the Ramco Cement. Next is Vedanta. Metal was little weak at the closing time. It was showing some positive. So once it breaks this 342, right, then easily we can expect 350 will be the first target, and 360 will be the next target. So that's about the Vedanta. And next is, I think I've done with all the stocks for tomorrow. Let me check if I received any queries. No queries. So I have Manju also with me. Hi Manju, what do you think? How it's going to react tomorrow? Hi Manju, able to hear me? I think he's busy.
Recording in progress.
I think he's busy. So let's see on the next video, guys. So all these levels will be shared in our Telegram channel. So see you on the next video. Happy trading. Please like, comment and share with your friends. Cheers. Bye.